So, hi everyone, and welcome to yet another series of the new normal with myself, Ravnoor. Before I start off this conversation with my dear friend, I would like to say that we are completely following the social distancing norms by having this session virtually. And to start with something on a positive note, but I think because we are, coming across a lot of negatives every day, we wake up with negative news and everything. But there's the need of the hour is positivity at this moment. So I was watching something online that day, and I came across this gentleman speaking about how nature has suffered, similar things in past. So I'll quote: every time we say it's different, mankind is fighting, the plagues from the start. We fall down for a while and then we bounce back. By the nature is correcting herself and restoring some balance. So, this kind of statement gave me so much positivity that in the past also our forefathers and our ancestors has faced some kind of issues like this, and we always bounce back. So coming back to our today's session, today is, I'm joining someone who's into super creative field, and I admire her work, love her zeal to work. So I would like to welcome Pratiksha, who is a hair and makeup professional, having more than 10 years of experience. She has worked in different kind of markets of, say, India and US, worked with niche clientele. So today we'll be asking her about her experience into her field. How has her industry affected for good or for bad? So, hi Pratiksha, and welcome to our little
Hi
something
Noor, how are
series of the
you?
new normal. I'm good, Pratiksha. How are you? How have you been?
Good. I'm good.
So, how have you been processing these last months, and talking about how has things changed for you? Can you just tell us something about yourself to start with?
So, thank you for having me here, first of all. I'm really very, more than obliged to share this screen with you. And
You're welcome.
as you know, I am in this field from last 10 years and I've been working in Bombay all these years. And I'm
Mm-hmm.
freelancing now in Nagpur. And I've always had this inclination towards hair, makeup, fashion. So that's how I'm here now.
Great, great. So that's how I said, you belong from super creative field, and I think every girl inside wants to become something like this, but that never works out. But I agree that's a super creative field, and how do you think things have changed for you in these past 4 months? I think in on general grounds, nothing technical.
So, see, honestly, things have been very difficult because, it's been like we are sitting at home. We are not so used to sitting at home. So, it's been very difficult especially for a person like me who cannot sit at home at all. So, it's been very, very difficult. Yeah.
All right. I think it's been difficult for all of us because I think going to office and then socializing I think is major key. We've got some relief from office life, but socializing is something, we are stuck. We're not
Exactly.
able to socialize.
Yeah.
I agree to that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think things have started becoming very much normal. Do you agree to that? Have you seen things becoming normal in these last
Yes,
couple
of
of
course, they
weeks?
have. Yeah. Yes,
Okay.
they have normalized a bit, but then the fear is still there.
That will be, yeah, I agree to that. I agree. So, talking about something on technical grounds, Pratiksha, so how do you think your industry, you belong from a, hair and makeup industry, how do you think to start with, how do you think your industry has affected for good or for bad?
So, Honestly, it has been affected drastically because our work demands like a direct contact with the client. Like if we are doing a
Mm-hmm.
hair, we have to touch the hair directly, or we are doing makeup, we have to touch the face. So at this point of time, it's not actually very safe to do that, and so
Mm-hmm.
that's the reason we cannot attend any clients, we cannot do any hair service or any makeup service. So it has for sure been a very, I don't think anything is good about this. It's the only part
Mm-hmm.
of the only good part about this is that we are spending a lot of time with family and friends, that's it. Otherwise, if you go
Mm-hmm.
to see professionally, it has, yes, it has affected a lot.
Okay. I think I agree to that because personally, also now I'll think more than 10 times before going to a salon. Obviously, calling someone at home, things are going to change. Or in a longer run, also, I think things have changed. So, Pradiksha, how do you think
Yeah,
you have been into freelancing from last couple of years? I can say. So has things picked
yeah,
up
a
for
couple
you?
of years,
So
yeah.
has things like but because I think people are preferring to call professionals at home rather than going to a public area. So how do you think that
Yes, yes, they do.
people will be preferring to go to a salon or to a normal studio, or they'll be preferring to hire or call a professional at their respective houses?
See, if you go to see the current scenario, according to that, people would prefer, calling somebody home rather than
Mm-hmm.
going to a salon, because a salon gets a little, because there are 10 more people, either clients or people, those who are working there. The risk factor in the salon is a little more than, so people kind of nowadays are preferring that, somebody comes home and do their services. But if you go to see professionally, like on a professional thing, then I think going to a salon is much more better, because you can get all the services done there. Like you won't have any difficulty in doing anything. It makes a lot of difference.
Mm-hmm. It does, yeah. So you think that
Yeah.
talking about the job opportunities for freelance is going to expand? Like it has come as a good part, this pandemic has brought the good part for freelancers in this time.
Yes, it has. And
Okay.
I think it's going to grow even more in the coming, months, or maybe, years
Mhm.
maybe. People are going to prefer a lot of freelancers.
I think it's safe also. To be really frank, it's safe to
It's
have
safe.
someone at home rather
Anytime it
than
is.
going.
Yeah.
Correct. Correct. That trend
Going,
has
yeah,
increased.
it is safe.
Yes. Okay, so I think I've gotten a fair amount of understanding of how this industry has affected because of this unfortunate pandemic. Now, Pratiksha, what is your tips and tricks for all the ladies and even men? I think men are too much into grooming these days. So, what is your tips and
Yeah.
tricks for them? For this, to kind of pass this phase normally and smoothly. So, what is your tip and trick on this?
See, involve yourself in a lot of household activities. Stay positive, because this is the time where you actually have to stay positive. Because once you
Mm-hmm.
start going into that negative thinking, then
Mm-hmm.
it kind of, it's not good actually. Because
Mm-hmm.
this time it is, it is disturbing your, state of mind. The state of mind of people is very different nowadays in this pandemic. It's getting very difficult for people to cope up with it, because all of a sudden, we are stuck at home, we cannot go out, there's no socializing. So that's the reason you have to be very positive, involve yourself with the other household activities. If you have kids at home, give a lot of time to them, because even they need that. In day-to-day
Mm-hmm.
life, in a normal life, you we could not do that. We could not spend time with our family or kids, or any, the parents. We can do that now, and you have to be more positive towards life. That's what even I have been doing.
I think that works. That works for
And
all of us. So,
take a lot of precautions, and I would just say stay safe and be at home.
so what are the grooming tips that you want to give it to us, like even to men out there?
Please don't cut your hair at home. Please.
Oh my
I've
God,
been seeing
I
so
have
many
been
people
coming
cutting their own
across.
hair.
Oh God, people are actually watching proper YouTube tutorials, and people are going wrong with it, and they are repenting. I think that's a very helpful tip for all of us. Not
Yeah,
to
but then
females also. I think
don't be your own hairstylist.
I think even to females out there, don't color your hair at home. It never works out.
Yes, it never
I
works.
agree.
Don't use those dabba colors. Wait for your salons to open and go to your stylist. No problem if you are seeing gray hair. It's completely okay to not
Huh,
to color your hair, but wait for some time. Wait for the salons to open and then go to the salons.
that's true. So Pratiksha, not just I like in my last session, I was talking about not just pandemic, but there are more, things that we've been affected with. One is the crumbling economy and government inaptitude, and there are many things that are coming complementary with this phase. And you've also seen the Bollywood news. So how do you think that where is our economy going? What do you think? What like, do we stop watching news, or do we just connected to stay connected to news part, or what should we actually do to keep our minds sane? Because not just pandemic, I think we have been affected by these you know tension full of tension news. So how do you think we should keep that balance on?
See, according to me, I'm a person like if you talk about me, I'm a person who watches news at times, but then I don't take, I don't get it. I don't take it too. I would not say too seriously, but then it's something that I do not take it on heart. See, you
Mm-hmm.
have to watch the news as a informative this thing that you're getting information. You just, you know what is happening around the world. But then you cannot just get too negative with all that because
Mm-hmm.
that is, of course, going to affect yourself. You'll be affecting yourself by that. And about the economy, economy is crushing down, but then that is something we cannot really do anything about right at the
Mm-hmm.
moment. We have to think about everything right now. So
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I mean, economy is something you can't really control that.
That's true, because as I stated in the beginning that this is every time mankind says that this time it's different. So, but we have been fighting
Yeah,
plagues and whatnot epidemics since the beginning, and the nature is kind of restoring herself, finding some balance. So, I think everyone should just abide by those magical words and just follow the path, not just follow the flow. Basically, go with the flow. So that's what
yeah.
I think we should all think about. So I think it's been pretty informative, Pratiksha. We've kept it short because obviously the long sessions are quite boring. We've kept it very
Yeah.
snackable. So anything you would like to add, Pratiksha, apart from whatever questions or set of questions that I had for you? Anything you would like to tell all of us?
I would like to tell all of you that please be safe and try to uh, take out the creative person in you because you have a lot of time. You're sitting at home, like literally doing it apart from the household work. We're doing nothing. So just do something creative, do something productive. That's what I would like to say. And just be very, very, very positive and just enjoy this phase.
That's true. That's true. All right. Thank you, Pratiksha, for joining us today and presenting your expertise in a beautiful way. I'm sure we'll have more such sessions in the future also.
Thank you so much, Noor, for having me here.
Thank you, Pratiksha. You stay safe. Hope your family is doing well.
Yes, very well. Hope the same is with you and hope to see
Same,
you
same,
soon.
Pratiksha. We will. By the end of the evening, we will. All right, Pratiksha. Thank you. Good day. Bye bye.
Okay, you too. Bye.